Welcome to this video. Hackers have been using Google Chrome to gain full control of users' devices and computers. And I will post links down in the notes down in the video description to some of these articles. But in short, this was accomplished by installing a malicious extension. It's also reported here as well, and then through some social engineering. Now, I'm not going to go over everything in these articles, but in short, and I've mentioned this multiple times on my channel, folks, you need to stop installing extensions on your browsers. Extensions are fun and convenient, and I know people think this will never happen to them or that they will be able to successfully identify a malicious extension. Hackers are clever, they are smart, and they know how to utilize techniques to trick users into thinking what they are installing is legitimate. I mean, this extension specifically, they took multiple steps to convince victims that the extension is legitimate. They even send victims to a legitimate Google support page. But this just keeps happening over and over and over again. The best thing you can do is just not install extensions on your browsers. Hacking does not happen magically, and extensions are one of the most common ways to get malware onto a computer. And also you have to keep in mind that a real legitimate extension can be hijacked and exploited itself. And so the less extensions you have on your browser, the better. It's best to have zero. And if you're someone who likes to use an ad blocker, which there is a real privacy and security benefit to using an ad blocker, use a web browser like this, which is called Brave, and it has an ad blocker built right into it along with other features. And down here we also have LibreWolf and Molvad, which also have ad blockers built into them as well. Outside of that, maybe an exception for a password manager. That's debatable. But outside of those, I would not install any extensions on your web browsers. And this is also part of a larger topic. Again, as I mentioned, hacking does not just happen magically. Malicious software is one of the most common ways that hackers execute attacks. And it's not just extensions. They can trick users into installing malicious programs and apps. And so you need to install as few applications as possible on your computer. If you are going to install something, make sure that it is reputable and that you know where it is that you are downloading it from. Just be very, very careful and download and install less. That is everything for this video. If you do have any comments or questions, please post them down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider sharing it. Also, please be aware down in the notes, down in the video description, I'm going to post a link to this playlist on how to increase privacy and security on all of your devices. I do recommend going through these. But that is everything for this video. If you do have any comments or questions, please post them down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider sharing it. And if you would like to support this channel, go ahead and hit the join button, the thanks button, the subscribe button, or that bell notification icon to get notifications on future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day.